The idea for Water's Edge was first conceived after a visit to the aquarium at Bristol Zoo. Many sketches of wild carp were made, and later these were developed into a composition which became the basis of the etching. In Water's Edge, 5 plates have been used. Each plate has been etched to hold different elements of the final image, which is inked in a number of colours. This inking procedure takes about 1.5 hours. The first plate holds 4 colours. It is heated, then a viscous, greasy ink is pushed into the etched grooves. Yellow and red inks are blended together for the bodies of the fish. A light green ink is used for the leaves of the water lilies, and crimson ink for the flower. The surface is wiped clean with muslin, leaving only the etched areas retaining ink. The second plate is inked with 5 colours: violet for the fins and the backs of the fish, blue, red and lemon yellow for the dragonflies. The third plate is inked with a darker green, and the fourth plate is inked with blue. Finally, the key plate is inked with sepia. It is printed last because it holds all the drawing details and ties the image together. The actual impression is made with a copper plate press, which is similar to an old washing mangle, with a large bed between the rollers. The paper is passed backwards and forwards through the press, each time with a different plate. Paper is soaked in a bath of water, and the surface moisture is removed with blotting paper. The paper is then placed over the first plate and backed with 3 or 4 felt blankets. These are then passed through the press under high pressure, the malleable paper being forced into the cuts and ridges in the plate, thus picking up the ink. When the paper is finally peeled off, it reveals a faithful mirror image of the etched drawing. One edge of the paper is left caught under the roller. This prevents any possibility of it moving. Registration blocks are placed along 2 edges of the plate before it is removed from the bed. This allows the next plate to be positioned accurately. The blocks are removed and the wet print is repositioned over the new plate. This inking procedure is repeated for each print. For written information on the etching process, go to the index.